Hi there, students. To thrive as a verb, thriving as an adjective. So to thrive means to be successful, to make vigorous progress, to prosper. So before COVID, his business was thriving. Notice, I think the core meaning of this word is talking about animals, children and plants. And it means to grow well, to flourish, to develop rapidly and strongly. So, for example, sunflowers thrive in a warm, dry climate. They grow big, they grow strong, they have lots of seeds. And they grow rapidly and vigorously. Young birds thrive on a diet of caterpillars and insects. Many animals do not thrive in captivity. So, living creatures and plants thrive, they flourish. And then we use this figuratively, probably more commonly, to talk about success. Rapid prosperity, growing rapidly. So when an economy begins to thrive, then inflation very often starts to creep in. He was doing a thriving business selling umbrellas in the rain. Lawyers thrive on conflict. Since he joined the band, his musical abilities have thrived, or have thriven, you can even say. A man cannot thrive on bread alone. So when COVID started and internet businesses began to thrive, internet businesses at the moment are doing a thriving business. Notice as well, you can thrive on something. This means to be successful and happy in a situation, particularly a situation where most people wouldn't really enjoy those conditions. So, for example, some couples thrive on conflict. They love to always be arguing. That's what they live for. It makes them happy. He thrives on extreme sports like cliff diving and base jumping. Would you like to try those? Maybe you would. He thrives on a diet of raw cabbage and snails. Do you fancy a diet of raw cabbage and snails? Probably not. You'd probably rather eat other things. Okay, so to thrive, it's what I call a schizophrenic verb. I would recommend using it as a regular verb. He thrived, he has thrived. But it's also possible thrive, throve, thriven, like to drive. He throve on this unusual diet. He has thriven on this diet for many years. No, use it as a regular verb. It sounds a bit old-fashioned and weird using the irregular one. Okay, so next question. What about formality? Well, I'd probably give it a 5.5 in formality. Maybe it's a slightly unusual choice of word, a little bit literary, but I think it's a good flexible verb for all situations, informal and formal. Maybe you could use the verb to prosper as well. And then we need to look at the origin. Well, there was an old Norse word, thrifask, meaning to grasp, to get hold of something. And it's supposed to be reflexive as well. So, to thrive, to grow well, to grow vigorously, to be successful. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. thrive.